everybody, what's up? I hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I want to show you all the process of how I achieved these blonde knotless braids. This is my first time ever experimenting with color when it comes to braids. I just don't tend to venture outside of black hair. So I decided, since I'm about to go on vacation, I want to do something a little different. So I decided to do this kind of like ash blondie brown color, and I want to show y'all my process. Before hopping into this video, I want to show you all the products that I use to achieve this cuteness. So we're gonna start with the hair. This is my first time ever using this braiding hair. I usually stick to one brand, but because I was experimenting with a completely new look, I went with a completely new brand of hair. So I used the Outre Expression pre-stretched Kanekalon hair. I used it in the color M27 613, and then I also used the color 4 as well. Each pack comes with 3 little bundles in them. I initially purchased 3 of these and then 1 of the brown and 4. I only used 2 of those and then 2 of the browns. I hope that makes sense. And then I still have this whole bundle of hair that I mixed together left. So I didn't even use all of the hair. I still have a lot left. I basically have enough hair for a whole another install. So I bought way more than I needed, but I'd rather do that than not have enough. I had to mix the hair on my own. That took some time. I did that a whole day before I started installing these. So I recommend, if you are going to use color, to mix your hair prior to you installing. Like, I wouldn't do it all on the same day because it takes a minute to do all of that mixing. It took me a minute. So I recommend doing that all on separate days. For my roots, I use the Shine and Jam gel, and then I also use the Murray's Edge Wax and Extreme Hold. So these are the 2 products that were used at my roots. I tried my best to tuck. This was my first time. Some of them I did very well. Some were just kind of impossible to tuck. But I think for the most part I did pretty good because it's not looking super black at the front of my head. So I'm proud of myself because it was my first time ever tucking. Overall, I think I have between 53 to 56 braids. I counted them. I forgot how much it was, but I will put that number on the screen for y'all because I totally forgot how many that I put in. I'm really liking this look. It's just a very, very black girl, brown girl, chocolate girl friendly hair color, and I am digging it. I was so nervous that it wasn't gonna look good, that it wouldn't compliment me, but I think it does. I think I did a good job. Pretty sure that I let y'all know everything that I use. I think that's it. I think that's all. Alright, so to start, like I mentioned previously, I blended the colors M27, 613, and number 4. I did this the day before because this took a long minute. But this is the result of the color that I got, this ash blonde. If you all want a separate video of me solely mixing the hair, let me know and I can provide that for y'all. Just let a sister know down in the comments, alright? But this was my final outcome. This was the color that I felt would complement my skin color the best. Also, the day before I braided, I pre-parted my hair. So this is just me giving y'all a little glimpse at that. I did do 2 rows to make sure I would actually like the color. And I did, so I just kept on getting my braid on, and that's what I'm doing here. I am doing the knotless braid method. This is my first time doing knotless braids on my entire head. What I would usually do is do box braids on the bottom half of my head and then knotless on top to save time. But I just felt like, girl, let's try to knotless this whole thing. So that's what I did. That's what I do. And then this was also, like I already told y'all, my first time tucking. I tried my best. I think that I did okay for my first time. I think in order to hide even more of my natural hair color, I would have needed to add more hair to each section, but it is what it is. You live and you learn. So if I am to ever try another color again outside of my natural color, I would add more hair in order to tuck and hide my natural hair color better. But for a first time, I think it's good. I don't really recall how long it took for me to put these braids in, y'all, because I took my time. It took me about 3 days because I was trying to live my life while doing my hair. I was also trying to pack and get things for my vacations because I'm going to 2 different places in a row, and so I had a lot going on and I didn't have time to just sit and do my hair all at one time. So I had to do some. I basically made sure I had the perimeter of my hair taken care of so I can cover up with what wasn't finished, because I had a lot of life that needed to be taken care of while I was braiding my hair. So it took me over the course of 3 days to get my hair done. But I feel like if I sat there and actually did it, it probably would have took me 5 hours, 5.5 at the most, I think. But yeah, it took a couple days for this color to grow on me. I still was kind of unsure when I first fully installed it, but I like it. I actually really like it, and so it kind of makes me want to experiment. Nah, it don't. I'm so basic. No, it don't. But I am proud of this outcome though. So here I am 3 days later and just dipping my ends to seal everything and finish and complete the braided knotless blonde look. So here I am just pouring my hot water into this little mug cup thing that I got, and now I'm finna get my dip on. So yay, here is my official final look at my braids, guys. Like I said, I really like them. Let me know how y'all feel about the color, and let me know what colors y'all have experimented with as well. I'm curious. But this is where I'm going to end this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, keep your thumbs to yourself. Be kind to yourselves, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.